Let's dive into the banking tab. Here, your business is able to pull the transactions into your FINSYNC account from either your cash accounts or your credit card charge accounts. If you open up a new account at any time, you can add connectivity to those accounts by using the Add Account feature underneath either the cash accounts or the charge accounts, depending on what's appropriate. At the top of each account, we have current balance, pending transactions, and available balance. Current balance reflects all the transactions that your bank has cleared to date. Any pending transactions, whether deposits or payments, are transactions that FINSYNC is aware of, but the bank does not yet know about because they have not yet cleared. And available balance most accurately reflects the balance of your total funds. We also have tools for importing transactions. We have a reconciliation tool. We have a tool for splitting templates. And underneath the settings tab is where you go to delete any accounts that you may need. Within each account, you have a full list of all the transactions cataloged. Beneath it, you can select individual transactions from within each account to view the attributes and tag or categorize any transactions as needed to make your reporting more detailed. The timer here on the far end of any transaction will indicate ones that have not yet cleared the bank, but that FINSYNC is aware of.